How to use an online divorce service. Pros and cons. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. Many people ask whether using an online divorce service is a good idea. It can be a great option, but there are also some downsides to be aware of. Let's go over the pros and cons so you can decide what's best for you. Pros of using an online divorce service. Saves time and money. Online divorce services are much cheaper than hiring an attorney and can speed up the process. No court hearings. If your case is uncontested, you don't have to go to court when using a professional service. Convenient and remote, you can handle everything from home without office visits or legal consultations. Step-by-step guidance. Services like Divorce 661 ensure your paperwork is completed correctly to avoid court rejections. For example, we helped a couple who tried using a generic online divorce site. Their documents kept getting rejected because the forms weren't California specific. They switched to us and we got everything approved without issues. Cons of using an online divorce service. Not for complex cases. If you have a high conflict case, hidden assets, or major disputes, you may need legal representation. Some services are just DIY templates. Many online services just provide blank forms, leaving you to figure out the process yourself. Court rejections can cause delays. If the paperwork isn't filled out properly, your case could be rejected multiple times, delaying your divorce. Not all online divorce services are the same. Many are just form-filling websites, but at Divorce 661, we handle the entire process for you, start to finish. At Divorce 661, we make it easy. We prepare, file, and finalize your divorce 100% online. No mistakes, no court rejections. Flat fee pricing, no hidden costs or attorney fees. 100% remote service. File your divorce from home. If you want a fast, affordable, and hassle-free divorce, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll handle everything for you quickly and correctly.